If you have these three ingredients at home, custard powder, condensed milk and evaporated milk, you are on your way to making the best, most delicious ice cream in DIY history. The first thing I did was to dissolve my custard the normal way you make your custard at home. For those of you that don't know how to make custard, come close and pay attention. One of the key ingredients in making custard or pap is to ensure that your hot water is properly boiled. Don't use warm water. Now my custard is ready. I will add extra water till I get the consistency I like. Then I went in with my evaporated milk and a cup of condensed milk. I mixed to properly incorporate everything together. Kai see texture. Set aside and allow to cool off while we prepare our toppings. For the toppings, I used some granules, some cashew nuts, shredded caramelized coconut flakes, just to give it that chewy effect when eating the ice cream. I refilled some in plastic plates while some in nylons. I added the toppings to some just to make it chewy. I put everything in the freezer and let it sit till the next day. There you have it, guys, the most delicious, budget-friendly 3-ingredient ice cream in the world. You made it. If you have kids at home this summer, this is the best recipe to try out. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Bye.